Hi students, I am Ranjit Raj. Welcome to my channel Math Learning Tutorial. So students, in previous session we have learnt about matrices and we solved few problems on addition and difference of the matrices. Okay, and children, in this session we are going to learn about multiplication of matrices, and also we are going to solve few sums in exercise 3b. Okay, now children, let's see how to do the multiplication and what is the condition to do the multiplication between the two matrices. So children, condition for addition or difference what? So two matrices must have same number of rows, same number of columns. Okay, means the orders must be same. Okay, but here children, two matrices are comfortable for multiplication if number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Okay, if number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Means children, suppose one matrix A has order m by n and B has order n by p, then these two matrices are comfortable or eligible to get multiplication. We can do multiplication between these two matrices. Okay, because number of columns n here, number of rows n here, so these are suitable for multiplication. Okay, suppose children, one matrix A is equal to Aik of order n by n, and B is another matrix of Bkj, okay, of order n by p. Then to these two matrices, okay, C is equal to Cij of m by p. This matrix is said to be product of these two matrices. So what we have to consider, children, means where k is equal to 0 to n. Okay, so here number of columns, number of rows should be equal. Okay, so accordingly we will multiply the two matrices, children. Okay, so rows and columns will multiply. So children, I will give one example here. Suppose matrix A is equal to 2 4 1 1. Okay, matrix B is equal to 3 1. What is the product of these two matrices? Okay, first we have to check the order, children, whether number of columns of first row, number of rows in number of columns in first matrix and number of rows in second matrix equal or not, we have to check. If those are equal, then we can proceed for the multiplication. If not, we cannot do multiplication. So check its order, children. What is its order? It's a 2 by 2 matrix. What is its order? It's a 2 by 1 matrix, children, because two rows, one column. Okay, so 2 by 2, 2 by 1. Number of columns 2, number of rows 2. So these two matrices are eligible for multiplication. Now let's see how to do multiplication. So first we have to take the first row in the first matrix, first column in the first matrix, children. Okay, see. So first row, first column. Okay, so now we have to multiply that. We have to multiply the corresponding elements, and that sum should be taken here. 2 into 3 plus 4 into 1. Okay, again children, here second column is not there, then we will put the second row. Now 1 1 and 3 1. Okay, 1 into 3 plus 1 into 1. Now children, simplify, what we will get? 2 3 are 6, 6 plus 4 by 3 plus 1. So that is equal 10 4. So this is the matrix, children. Okay, now this is the product of the given two matrices A and B. So children, here if you see number of rows and here number of columns and number of rows are same, no? So resultant matrix will have, okay, if it is m by n and if it is n by p, so resulting product matrix will have m by p as its order. So means 2 by 1. Okay, its order is 2 by 1. So check 2 rows, 1 column, right? So children, this is the procedure for doing the multiplication. Now children, multiplication of matrices does not follow the commutative property. Here A cross B is not equal to B cross A. So multiplication does not follow the commutative property. So it's satisfying. Multiplication of matrices satisfying associative property, distributive property, and identity. So identity matrix, children, already we discussed. So 1 0 0 1. So this type of matrices are said to be identity matrix. So if we multiply any matrix with I, then the products does not change. A into I is equal to A, children. So I is called identity matrix for multiplication. Okay, so children, so this is about multiplication of matrices. Let's see few problems on this concept. So children, now let's see problem number 1 in exercise 3b. Find the following products wherever possible. Okay, find the following products wherever possible. Let's see first one. In first problem, first bit. Negative 1, 4, 2. Matrix negative 1, 4, 2. Matrix 5, 1, 3. It's row matrix, it's column matrix. So children, so what is the condition to do multiplication? Number of columns in first matrix should be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So that we have to check first. Check its order, children. What is its order? One row, 3 columns. So 1 by 3. What is its order? 3 rows, 1 column. Okay, so children, number of columns, number of rows equal. So we can do multiplication. See. So what will be? So which type of matrix we will get? Which order matrix we will get? 1 by 1 matrix we will get. Means only one element will be there. See. Now children, first row, first column. Negative 1 into 5. Negative 5 plus 4 into 1, 4 plus 2 into 3 is what? 6. So children, if you take the sum, negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 6 is 5. Okay, so 5 is the answer. Its order is 1 by 1. Okay, so this is called singular matrix. It is having only one element. Now let's see the second problem, children. What is the order of this first matrix? 2 rows, 3 columns, 2 by 3. What is the order of the second matrix? 3 by 1, 3 rows, 1 column. So what will be the order of the resultant matrix, children? Product matrix, that's 2 by 1. 2 rows, 1 column will be there. Okay, now children see, first row, first column. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 1 twos are 2 plus 4 ones are 4. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 1 twos are 2, 4 ones are 4. Now next 6 ones are 6. Negative 2 into 2 is negative 4 plus or minus 4 plus of minus 4 and plus 3 into 1 is 3, children. Okay now? So if you see 2 plus 2 plus 4 is 8. So this is 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, children. So these are the elements, children. So what type of matrix we got? So its order is 2 rows, 1 column, 2 by 1. Okay, see 3 3 if you cut, what will be the product order of the resultant matrix, children? 2 by 1. Its order is 2 by 1. So this is the way to do the multiplication between two matrices. Children, let's see problem number 5 in first bit. Find the following products wherever it's possible. Okay, fine. Children, here let's see the order. Its order is 3 by 3, children. Means the number of columns 3. Its order is 2 by 3, children. Okay, so number of columns in the first matrix not equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So multiplication is not possible here. Okay, so here write the reason. Okay, number of columns in first matrix, number of columns in first matrix not equal to number of rows in second matrix. Okay, number of rows in second matrix. Number of columns in the first matrix 3. Number of rows in second matrix 2. Both are not equal. Therefore, multiplication is not possible. Okay, here multiplication is not possible, children. Now let's see problem number 6, children. So order of the first matrix is what, children? 3 rows, 1 column. So here what is the order? 2 by 3. Children, here you only check whether number of rows or number of columns of the first matrix equal to number of rows in second matrix or not. Okay, then if it is possible you multiply, if not, right, multiplication is not possible. So just try this problem, children. Children, now let's see problem number 7. 1 matrix 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 matrix 1 1 1 1. So children, these are both are 2 by 2 matrices. Okay, number of columns, number of rows equal in these two matrices, so multiplication is possible, and the order of the product is 2 by 2, children. So take the first row, first column. Okay, that's the first element. First row, second column, second element. Second row, first column, third element. Second row, second column, fourth element. So please try this one. And let's see 8th problem, children. Both are 3 by 3 matrices. Okay, result will be compulsory 3 by 3 only. Means 3 by 3 matrix only. So number of columns 3, number of rows 3. Okay, means number of columns in the first matrix is equal number of rows in the second matrix. So multiplication is possible, children. Now see first row, first column, children. 0 into a square is 0. Okay, plus C into AB is what? ABC. Okay, plus minus B into AC, children. Minus B into AC is what? Minus ABC. Plus into minus minus. Now first row second column, children. 0 into AB is what? 0. C into B square, children. That is B square C plus B square C minus B into plus BC. That is minus B square C, children. Plus into minus minus. Now first row third column, children. 0 into AC is 0. C into BC, that is BC square. So plus BC square minus B into C square. So that is minus BC square. Okay, now second row first column. Minus C into A square minus A square C. 0 into AB. 0 into AB, that is 0 only. Plus 0. A into AC is what? Plus A square C. Okay, now so plus into minus minus. Okay, and plus into plus is plus, that we know very well. Now second row second column, minus C AB, children, that is minus ABC. Okay, now 0 into B squared is 0. A into BC is what, children? Plus ABC. Okay, now plus ABC. Now second row third column, minus C into AC, children, minus AC square. 0 into B is 0 plus A into C square is plus AC square. Okay, plus AC square. Now children, third row first column. Okay, third row first column. B into A square is what? A square B minus A into AB, that is minus A square B. 0 into AC is what? 0. Third row first column. Now third row second column, B into AB, that's AB square, children, minus A into B square minus AB square. 0 into BC is 0. Okay, now children, third row third column, B into AC, that is ABC, minus A into BC minus ABC. Okay, children, plus 0 into C square is what? 0. Plus 0. Okay, now simplify this matrix, children. ABC minus ABC 0. 0 plus 0 is, children, 0 only. Plus B square C minus B square C 0. 0 plus 0 is what? 0. BC square minus BC square cancel, so 0 plus 0 is 0. Minus A square C plus A square C is cancelled and the result is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Minus ABC plus ABC cancel, here also 0. Minus AC square plus AC square plus 0, that is also 0. Minus A square B plus A square B, that is also 0. AB square minus AB square, 0 plus 0 is 0. ABC minus ABC, 0 plus 0 is also 0. So children, finally we got 0 matrix. Okay, now all elements 0 in this matrix, and if each element of the matrix is 0, then that's called 0 matrix, and we got the result as 0 matrix, children, of order 3 by 3. So in this way we will multiply the matrices. Students, I hope you understood well. If you have any doubts, please put in the comment section. So you can find the previous videos of matrices in playlist and as well as in description, children. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe and share my channel. Bye.